Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up site search shortcuts in Google Chrome. And what that'll do is allow you to type in a shortcut key or keys into your address bar and then a search term, and it'll take you right to that site and do a search for you without having to go to that site, type in your search in the search box, and then get your results. So I'll show you that, but first I'll show you where to do it. You have to go to your settings here. You want to go to Search Engine, Manage Search Engines and Site Search. And then you'll have your site search section here. You might have some suggestions or some inactive shortcuts. So you're going to click on Add. And what you need is the name. This could be a friendly name, whatever shortcut keys you want to use, and the URL with pounds or %S in the place of the query, which I'll show you how to do that. So let's say we're going to go to Online Computer Tips here. We're going to do a search for Office. Spell it. And now you want to copy that URL with the search term in it. Go back here, paste it in. Now it says you take %S in place of the query. The query was Office, so change that to %S and put a shortcut key. We'll do OCT for Online Computer Tips, then a friendly name. Click on Add, and so now we have it here, and you can edit it if you need it. So how that works, let's say we got a new tab here. You're just on any website. It doesn't have to be Google. If you type in your shortcut in the address bar with a tab or space, OCT space, and now let's search for Windows. So we're not actually going to the site first. We're just doing it from the bar here. So it'll take us to Online Computer Tips and do a search for Windows at the same time. All right, so let's do one more here. Let's go to Amazon. Let's do a search for Blender. Copy the link here. So this one's a little more complicated link. Go back here, add a new one. Type %S in place of the query for the search term. So we have to highlight Blender because that's what we searched for. %S. Call this AZ. Why that's not changing it there. Okay, looks like you need to put in the shortcut before you change the link there, otherwise it changes it back. Okay, well, and this is just Amazon. You don't have to put Amazon.com. So we'll click on Add. Okay. Do a new search here. We'll call it AZ space. Now to toaster. So it took us right to Amazon and searched for toaster. So it's kind of a cool little feature. So if you have a site you go to a lot, you don't want to go to that website first, then you could just set up one of these site search shortcuts. And then as long as you remember your shortcut key, you could use that to do your searches real quick. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.